Bernie's at Bernie's. Shit, look at Cash. Let's go buy him. This is what I look like. I'm trying not to drop shit. Changed what was it? Cash. Look at those sexy green eyes. That's where I like to sit. The tripod. Give you a tour of the place. Oh shit. Look at the old Texas. I'm trying not to walk quick because I know. See Frankie and Teddy. Look at that sweet pea. Who's that baby? My favorite baby. And look, Teddy. Hi, Teddy. Sniff Mommy's camera. It won't come out of my room. It's for your love, Mommy's camera. It's my room. Right now I'm still unpacking. Look at the Care Bear. Dresser's messy. Teddy, look at Teddy. What's up, sweetie pie? What, Frank? So tiny. You gonna come out? Oh, who's the cutie muffins? Who's cute? Here, give me a kiss. Frank. Say hi. Mommy camera. And then Rain's in here. You can hear her. Okay. They don't want to come out. Do a tour tomorrow morning. Check on my plants. Because right now, really can't see anything pretty much. Oh, I could try. Oops. Dark. Right now it's my duvet I gotta wash. And then I'll sit downstairs. Banana. Banana. With a gross banana with a black tip. Look at that. Cash. Got scenes on the TV with Cash. Sunny. Anyways. First vlog. Success. Happy.